So I kind of wanted to see what curl I got. This is the curl I got. And I think it looks amazing. So what I'm going to do is, right now I have a plastic cap on my head. What I'm going to do is wash my conditioner out, blow dry my hair. And then I'm going to come back with this on, and then we're going to break the curl spot to see how it looks. So in my honest opinion, some of it's kind of still wet because I probably did this around 10 o'clock last night. And I took the hair rollers out around early 12. So some of them are kind of still wet, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rake them out, honestly. Now you see how I'm raking gently because I don't want to knot it. You see, I don't want to knot the hair, because if I knot the hair, then that's it for this hair, because this hair is a synthetic blend. So yeah. Okay, I had to get my microphone because it brings my audio out a little better. But what I'm doing now is I am raking through the curls really gently because I don't want the curls to be like too raked out, and I don't want the hair to knot up because, like I said, this is a synthetic blend hair. So I do kind of want that wild curl look. So ignore the background noise. So my boyfriend is actually watching football today, Sunday. So I'm just breaking through the curls now. Now, I like a good straight hair. Don't get me wrong, but me personally, I would definitely prefer curly hair over anything. That's why when I got this hair, I was like, even though it's synthetic, could I do a curl? So my whole thing was, I guess I'll try something new. So this is actually my first time getting a straight hair synthetic wig. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I do have a curly wig, a big curly one. Everybody hates that wig for some reason. Maybe it's just me that just likes it. But this is what the curls look like right now. You see how it's like a loose curl wave pattern got going on? I absolutely freaking love this. I love it. I love how it's frizzy and wild looking. So yeah, I think this is kind of my favorite part right here, because you can tell that it's layered. I probably won't be straightening this hair anymore, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna just take my monster snot and take it in, just split this back. But yeah, I probably won't be. So I'm gonna take Brandon. So I took my, see y'all, I'm still learning, but I took my gel and I slicked that down. So yeah, I absolutely love the ending result. It's a perfect curl, I think. I used 2 different size rods. I used the red ones that I had that you seen at the beginning. They were the bigger ones, and then the yellow ones were the smaller ones. So I kind of use the smaller ones as a back layer and the bigger ones as a top layer. I absolutely freaking love this, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. And the hair is still extremely soft. And then right now, you see how I absolutely love this. I think I may purchase this hair again as far as synthetic hair. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. I know it's not gonna last that long because it is synthetic. But since the time being since I had it, it's been pretty good. But yeah, it's been pretty good. So, ladies, I got this on sale actually. I got 30% off of it because it was on a freaking mannequin. I got it for $25. So yeah, I'm probably gonna, yes, this is giving me life, so. But honestly, I have a different pair of glasses. Let's try these instead. It gives me a better look with these glasses. My old ones, not my old ones. These are my old ones. These are my new ones. They're actually Armani Exchange. It's not gonna work. But these are actually Armani Exchange. I got a heck of a great deal with these glasses. They were retailed at $400. I got them for $50. So that was exciting. But yeah, I really like it. I really like how it came out. You see what I'm doing is I'm combing down the straight parts. And I am finished. Voila. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. For all my wig wearing sisters out there or misters out there, hope you like, don't like, subscribe, don't subscribe. But I hope you got something from this video, and there is hope for curling synthetic wigs. So